You are going to love the 2023 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads. Sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, fog lights, carpeted floor mats, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.